Steve Vovo's Top 10. Happy holidays. Welcome everyone to the very first episode of Steve Vovo's Top 10. Today we're doing the top 10 podcasters in no particular order. We were counting down some of the most influential podcasters you need to follow right now. Let's dive in and let's see what's on the list for today. In 10th place, we've got Patrick Bet David. Now, Patrick's content is all about entrepreneurship, business, strategy, and personal growth. His interviews and insight make complex business ideas very simple, and it's also actionable. All the links of these creators or podcasters will be in the description, so make sure to follow them. In our ninth spot, we've got Valuetainment. This is Patrick Bet David's channel. It focuses on value-driven business ideas, advice, leadership, and strategy. It's perfect for the aspiring entrepreneurs looking to level up. In our 8th spot, we've got Alex Hormozi, the man. Mr. Alex shares high-level business tactics, marketing strategies, and entrepreneurial mindset advice, all delivered in a very clear and practical way. Love Mr. Hormozi and all his content. In number 7, we've got Mr. Gary V, the main hustler that started it all. Gary's energy is unmatched. He's all about the hustle, marketing insights, motivational content, and that pushes you to take action. It always seems that Mr. Gary V is just one step ahead or 1 year ahead of all of us. In number 6, we've got Tai Lopez. Now, Tai combines lifestyle, wealth building, self-improvement advice with insights from his book and his personal experience. Mr. Lopez, shout out to the Steve Vovo Top 10. Number 5, The Diary of a CEO, Mr. Steve Bartlett. Steven's interviews with world-class entrepreneurs reveal deep insights into business mindsets, business mindsets and the human side of success. Number 4, we've got London Real, Mr. Brian Rose. Now, London Real dives deep into the meaningful conversations with influential people, covering success, personal development, and mindset. Oh, what do we have here? Number 3, Impact Theory, Tom Bilyeu. Now, Tom focuses on mindset, motivation, and success stories, helping viewers achieve their potential with actionable advice. Let's see who's going to take my top spot. In number 2, it's going to be Valuetainment, Patrick Bet David, a separate series of deep dive interviews featuring top entrepreneurs, thinkers, and leaders. But it's packed with wisdom for anyone that is very serious about success. And now, in number 1, and I hope you agree with me, it is Mr. Joe Rogan. Shout out to the Joe Rogan Experience. Mr. Rogan, it's my first episode. The ultimate podcast experience. Joe Rogan covers everything from science, comedy, culture, deep conversations with experts. He is a master in the long form content. So, this has been a very special episode, Steve Vovo's Top 10, as we wrap up our very first episode of the top 10 podcasters in the world right now that you need to follow. All the links are in the description. And that's a wrap for our very first episode. Please make sure that you go and check out these creators or podcasters, subscribe to their channels, but also let me know which ones are your favorite. And if there's anybody that I missed, wasn't intentional. The top 10 can change at any time. No particular order. But Joe Rogan is the man. This is Steve Vovo. Steve Vovo's Top 10. Happy holidays, everyone.